Respect means that you accept somebody for who they are, even when they are different from you or you don't agree with them. We must always respect others. If you want respect from others, you first need to have self-respect. In our nation, every person deserves respect, irrespective of any differences. We should respect our elders, including our parents and teachers, and love our siblings and friends. By listening to the audio and video that was just played, you might have got an idea of what our assembly is going to be about. Yes, it is respecting our elders. And today, we, the students of 12th Commerce A, are going to be portraying a skit on respecting our elders where we show the importance of respecting elders.
It's my jacket. I know that. Why are you wearing it? But I want to wear it. You can't take things without my permission. I know this. Why are you wearing my jacket? Remove it now. But Dadaji, that's my jacket.
Wait, why are you fighting?
He's taking my jacket, mom, without my permission.
He's your younger brother, let him do that.
But he's taking my jacket. You can't just take it.
Let him take it for today.
Yeah, I'll not get it. You can't just do that.
Okay,
I'm
do
just
whatever
wearing
you
it.
want, don't irritate me.
I'm just wearing it. I don't know.
Respect your elders and the world will respect you. Here, Sion falls into a fight with his elder brother for a jacket, due to which he disrespects his elder brother.
Hey guys! Hi Sion. Hi everyone. आज का नाइट आउट स्पॉन्सर करना ब्रो प्लीज आज का आज जाने वाला है पर हां ठीक है
मजा करेंगे
सच्ची सच्ची ना
जिद्दी है हम नहीं मानेंगे करते ही जाएंगे बदमाशियां कह दो ये जमाने वालों से नए छीने हमसे आजादियां है दिल में जो कहना है जैसे तैसे ही रहना है ओ एक जिंदगी है ज्यादा नहीं पर थोड़ा तो बिगड़ेंगे हम नहीं सुधरेंगे हम नहीं सुधरेंगे थोड़ा और बिगड़ेंगे
ब्रो बहुत जोर है क्या
Why were you all dancing? The class is already started. Go and attend the class. You know that. Why are you talking in this language? You do not know to respect your elders?
No, we don't know.
Give me ID cards. I need to.
We don't have.
Okay, I will see you in 20.
Give your teachers the respect they deserve because they are the ones who can help you get where you need to go. Over here, Sion disrespects his professor.
Would you like to have some tea or coffee?
I would like to like tea.
Okay.
Mommy,
Yes?
I just want to tell you something.
Yeah, say.
Ma'am, we have planned a night out. That's why I want to.
What night out?
I want money
For what?
for the night out.
You're going to the college for studies. Then what is this night out?
No, I just want it.
No, I don't have any cash.
No.
Look at him.
Tell her.
I don't have any cash.
No,
I am done.
No. Dadaji, tell her.
Since morning, I have been noticing you. You are totally been disrespecting your elders.
Yes.
You fought with your brother.
Yes.
Now you are arguing with your mom.
Yes.
And now you just said that you had argument in the college.
Yeah.
So you go to the college like Don Bosco. Don't you get inspired by his story?
Yeah, I get inspired.
The way he used to spread his love, affection, bonding, and most important thing, the respect.
Yes. I say.
So give them the respect as you expect from them.
Okay, Dadaji, I will change.
Listen to your elders' advice not because they are always right, but because they have more experiences of being wrong. Here, Sion's grandfather tells him the importance of respecting elders in our society. So remember, if you want to gain respect from others, you first need to have self respect. Thank you.
हर कहानी के कुछ चैप्टर्स होते हैं जो मिल जाए तो पूरी किताब बना देते हैं। इसी तरह मेरी लाइफ के भी कुछ चैप्टर्स हैं जिन्होंने मेरी ऑर्डिनरी सी लाइफ को एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी बना दिया है। मम्मी पापा, आपने मुझे आज तक कई तोहफे दिए। हर रिश्ते पे भारी आज भी भाई बहन की ये यारी है। तेरा प्यार रहे, तेरी लाडली बन मैं जीती रवा, एक डोर से बांधी है खुशियाँ, तेरी खुशियाँ दी विच खिलती रहा। है ख्वाब मेरी, उम्मीद मेरी, पूरा तो करे उम्मीद मेरी। मैं जान तेरी और मान तेरा, तेरा साथ रहे ओ वीर मेरे। उंगली पकड़ के फिर से सिखा दे, गोदी उठा लेना माँ, आंचल से मेरा मुंह पोंछ देना, मैला सा लागे जहाँ। उंगली पकड़ के तूने चलना सिखाया था ना, दहलीज ऊंची है ये पार करा दे। बाबा मैं तेरी मलिका, टुकड़ा हूँ तेरे दिल का, एक बार फिर से दहलीज पार करा दे। अगर ये ना होते तो मैं अकेले कुछ भी नहीं होती। इन्होंने सिखाया है खुद पे यकीन करना, इन्होंने ही दिया है हौसला हर मुश्किल से लड़ना, इन्होंने ही बताया है क्या होता है प्यार करना।
I now request our respected principal to talk a few words on the topic.
Good morning, my dear teachers, my dear students. Today, the 12 Commerce A is presenting an assembly and the topic is respect for elders. Dear students, we have heard a lot about respecting the elders. We must have seen the videos that are circulating on WhatsApp, on Facebook and on YouTube. And all of us know there are a lot of communication that has been taken place where we are called upon to respect the elders. Let me share with you my example. I was in that particular place. Of course, I was not a principal then, so I was little free and I had some time in the evening. And since I was teaching in that school, I knew some of the students, and the students were very friendly with me. And they invited me, "Father, why won't you come to visit our family?" And I decided to visit them. And I started visiting them in the evening. I would go to their families, talk to them, talk to their parents. And there is one thing that I noticed, that they had the grandparents who were sitting somewhere little far, and they would look at me, I would look at them, but since it was my first time, I really couldn't communicate to them. And as I went on visiting many of the families, the students, I realized that there were a lot of these elderly people who were sitting far away, observing all the things. And the next time when I started visiting, I made it a point to go and sit with those elderly people, their grandparents, and speak to them. Talk to them, ask them how were they. And this is where I came to know, and this is what they shared with me. Father, thank you very much. At least you are the one who have little concern for us. And we feel so happy about it. And they started sharing, Father, we are elderly now, we are not able to do much. And we are just kept here in the house. But people don't have time to talk to us. Our own grandparents, our grandchildren don't have time to talk to us. There's hardly anyone who talks to us. And we feel so bad about it, so sad. And then I told my students, so when you have a grandparents in your family, please spend at least 10 minutes with them every day. Just go and talk to them nicely. Start respecting them. And when my students started doing that, they would see the change in the attitude of their grandparents, their attitude in the whole family, and there was a lot of communication, peace and happiness in the family because they have started respecting and talking to the elders in the family. And that is what happens, my dear students. Once we start respecting our elders, of course in the family we have our grandparents, but let us go beyond these grandparents. There are a lot of elderly people in our society. There are some people who are just waiting to talk to someone. There are some people who are just waiting to be asked, how do they feel today? And my dear students, please go and visit these parents, the elders. Talk to them. Spend some time with them, and you will see the happiness and the satisfaction that you get. And in the other ways around too, these grandparents, the elderly people become so friendly with you, they understand you, and there is so much of peace and unity among yourself. I wish Standard 12 Commerce A, as they present this assembly, respect for elders, that we start respecting our elders start from the home when you have your grandparents, and then reach beyond your home, go out in the society, start respecting them and talking to them, spending some time to them, and that will bring the change in our society, that will bring the change in our attitude, in the attitude of the grandparents, the elderly people, and above all, the change in the society. To wish you all the best, and I wish and I pray that each one of us spends at least 10 to 15 minutes respecting, talking, and playing with the elders.
Showing respect for elders in society is a way of showing that we value them as senior members of the community, with a lifetime's worth of wisdom to teach us. They have a lot to offer. Their first-hand experience of history gives them a unique perspective. Learning to respect seniors can also help young people deal better with their own aging.
Yeah. Everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now. Yeah, she hates me now, I made mistakes but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home. On my own, in the zone, that's the only way I know. Feeling